Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the sidebar over here in WordPress 2024 theme from right to left, because I have some viewers who prefer to have a sidebar on the left as compared to on the right. So the first thing you need to do is to log in to the dashboard and go to Appearance Editor, and we are going to edit the template itself. So go to Templates, and under all templates, you can see that there is a post with single. So single with sidebar. This is the one. So let us click on this one and click Edit. Single with sidebar, and you'll notice that currently the sidebar is on the right. So let us change it to the left. So open up the document overview, and over here expand the group, and we can see that currently there is two columns. One is this content column, second is this sidebar column. So what we are going to do is just to switch, drag and drop it above the content column. So over here, you can see that now it has changed. So this is the sidebar now on the left, and this is the content on the right. So if let's say you want to change the percentage, you can click on this setting panel, and this is the width you can change. This currently set to 30%, and for the content it is 70%. So you can make changes over here. So let's save, and let me show you how it looks like. So let me do a refresh, and now you can see that the sidebar changes to the left instead of right. So I hope that you find this video tutorial useful. If it's useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.